Hello, we are starting Python tutorials. Here we will try to learn basic to advanced use of it with practical knowledge on it. In beginning for now we will learn below given course contents like 1. Introduction. 2. Python interpreter. 3. Control flow tools. 4. Data structures. 5. Modules. 6. Input and output. 7. Errors and exceptions. 8. Classes. 9. Brief tour of the standard library. 10. Virtual environments and packages. 11. Interactive input editing and history substitution. 12. Floating point arithmetic, issues and limitations. We hope you will like the way we will teach here. We will try to make you eligible to work on live projects of Python. To get instant update of lectures uploaded on our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep notification on. We will soon conduct a assignment program also where if we have any project then you can work on it and we would pay you stipend for the work on task basis.